Hi, my name is Oyin Antwi. Welcome to my 550 square foot apartment here in Brooklyn, New York. Well, I shouldn't say just mine, my husband and I's. Thankfully, my sister and I have our interior design company, Via Asha Design. It's an online interior design company, and we used our processes to bring our styles together. My style and inspiration for this apartment came from the fact that my husband and I are both West African. He's from Ghana, I'm from Nigeria, and both being here in the United States, kind of living in a modern New York lifestyle, we really wanted to just bring a taste of colors and textures. So earth tones, metallics, concrete, wovens, that was big for us in this apartment. You'll even see from our entryway that we have all of our languages on the doormat. We just wanted to remember a little piece of home while we were here. Our biggest challenge is everybody's biggest challenge in New York City, which is fitting 2 adults in a small space. We really wanted to make sure everything was multifunctional, especially in light of COVID, working from home. The Black Lives Matter movement was right downstairs. We pretty much live downtown, so it was important for us to find our peace and also create a space that allowed us to do each part of our day, which was work, rest, have a little moment. Thank God for that terrace. And so we just wanted to make sure to use every space in the apartment. One of the most important ones was the closet. I kind of tricked it by using like space dividers, cubbies, and just making it work by color coding all the clothing, so it was easy for us to both use a small space and find our clothes to start our day. Thank you so much for stopping by our apartment. It's our little oasis, and we just hope you can find your peace with everything that's going on. Bye.